Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss minerals and ores for class 10th. So what are minerals? Minerals are the naturally occurring inorganic solids of metals with a definite range of chemical formula. So minerals are naturally occurring inorganic solids of metals with a definite range of chemical formula, and they are crystalline in nature. As we know, high reactive metals, they are found in nature in a combined state due to their high reactivity. So they combine with other inorganic components and occur in nature in the form of inorganic solids. These inorganic crystalline solids that are present in nature, they are called minerals. But opposite of it, we have ores. Ores are the minerals from which metal can be extracted easily and economically. So define ores. These are the minerals from which metals can be extracted easily and economically. So ores are the minerals from which metals can be extracted easily and economically. So from this we can conclude that all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Ore are the ores are the minerals because they are also found in nature in the form of inorganic solids. So conclusion is all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores, because it may possible that metal can be extracted by difficult ways and by higher value. So we can say all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ore. Ore is the criteria if metal can be extracted easily and economically. If metal is difficult to extract from a mineral, that will not be considered as ore. So simple criteria to define ores is ore is the mineral from which metal can be extracted easily and economically. So metals are found in nature. Aluminium is the most abundant metal present in our earth crust. So now we are going to discuss metals with their ores. Metal and their ores. First metal is aluminium. Aluminium is the most abundant metal present in our earth crust. Almost 8.1% of aluminium is present in earth crust. Its main ore are bauxite with formula Al2O3 with the X water molecule. It is hydrated aluminium oxide. Its industrial name is bauxite. Second ore is cryolite. Cryolite formula is Na3Al F6, sodium aluminium fluoride. It is industrially cryolite. And third ore of aluminium is corundum. Corundum is unhydrated aluminium oxide. If hydrated, that is bauxite. If unhydrated, then it is corundum. That is our first metal with their ores. Second is copper. The main ores of copper are cuprite, that is oxides of copper, Cu2O, that is cuprite, copper glance, that is copper sulfide, Cu2S, and third is copper pyrite, that is CuFeS2. Copper pyrite is the combined ore of copper and iron. So these are the three ores of copper. Next we have mercury. The main ore of mercury is cinnabar, and its formula is sulfide, mercuric sulfide, that is cinnabar. The main ore of mercury is cinnabar, HgS. Lead is also found in nature in the form of ore galena. Galena is lead sulfide, PbS. So these are four metals. Next is iron. The main ores of irons are hematite. Formula is Fe2O3. Next is magnetite, Fe3O4. Next is siderite, that is iron carbonate or ferrous carbonate. And iron can be extracted from this ore also, that is pyrite. The main ore of iron is magnetite. 72% of iron is found in magnetite. 70% iron is present in hematite. So percentage of iron is 70% and 72%. So principal and main ore of iron is magnetite, containing 72% of iron. Next is calcium. Calcium is found in nature in the form of gypsum, that is hydrated calcium sulfate, that is hydrated calcium sulfate, gypsum. Next is dolomite. It is again combined ore of magnesium and calcium. Magnesium and calcium, carbonates of calcium and magnesium, and industrial name is dolomite. Next is calcite, that is calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, industrially known as calcite. And seventh metal is zinc. Zinc blend, that is zinc sulfide. Next is zinc oxide, that is zincite. These are the ores of zinc. So basically we have 7 most abundant metals, and they are found in the form of ores, and their formulas are here. So that is the topic, ores and minerals and the metals and their ores. I hope you would understand.